Hi guys, this is Shanavas Kareem and today I'm at RiderZ Planet. It is one of those riding apparel stores which has almost everything for every biker. So let me give you a tour of it. So guys, now we are entering RiderZ Planet. So as soon as you enter, especially during the COVID times, there is a special section over here for you to keep your riding gear and apparel, and you can hang it, you can keep it, and you can sanitize yourself. Then you move into this section, which is the riding jackets. So it has a section of some riding jackets. The next section is about accessories. Some great accessories which I also personally like is like this 6S and D30 with Biker RT. These accessories are very useful for me as a rider and I've loved it using them. Then we also move ahead in some premium section of riding jackets which are over here. Some of these are Clover, some of these are RST. And then we have the Biker RT denim section. So you have denims as well as the gloves that Biker RT makes. I also have this Equator gloves which I have made a review of. Please, you can find the review over here. Then we move into one of the most debated section, which is the helmets. Yes, right now ISI, .EC and all of these problems are being addressed, and till that time I think there is 6 months of time where the store owners can sell these helmets. So I think it's great that if you can come to one of these stores and see the collection, because you will not get to see these helmets unless these helmets would get ISI certification. So please make sure that you don't miss this. Please make sure that you don't miss these helmets which are available on the stores. Then we move into the next section, which is gloves. These are all other gloves which are by Clover, by Viaterra and various other, including Biker RT over here. And then comes your motorcycle protection. Things like Vulcanet, Motul, Putoline, and then some really interesting cooling towels by Inutech and motorcycle protection by Muck Off. Then you come over here into motorcycle accessories, which is the RNG stuff. Over here there is exhaust, there are brake spools, there is slider spools, and then there is brakes over here, CL brakes. Here it is, and we'll go over there later. Then you have all the storage and luggage which is in front. Over here you have all of the different kinds of soft luggage that you can have, which is typically used for touring, some international as well as Indian brands. And then we move towards footwear, and you have full range of Falco as well as Moto Gear setup. Then you move into some accessories and knee protection. So yeah, that's how it is. RiderZ Planet have also RiderZ Planet is also importing various Senna products. So you can see the Senna products over here. Why I really like visiting RiderZ Planet is because they have been very kind enough to support indigenous brands as well as brands which make a difference. So you can go to any other store internationally and you will find similar vibes, which is a store, a cafe, as well as various other things as a rider which you want to have. So let me show you this section. So if you come over here, you have a lounge, and you are greeted by this lounge by some motorcycles which are kept over here, giving you the same vibes, and you will enjoy this because as a rider you would want to enjoy the motorcycling life throughout. I hope this vlogging style was good enough. Please let me know in the comment section below if you want me to continue with this kind of vlogging style videos. I would love to share different kinds of videos with you, and hopefully I'll be able to get more quality content, quality videos, and things which really matters as a rider to you out fast, sweet, and simple. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.